weapon that David used to kill Goliath? A. Sword. B. Slingshot. C. Spear. Next. May painanong ng ano ha? Who was thrown into the lion's den? Ulit ano? Ano pagkabali mo kung sa rin? Who was thrown into the lion's den? A. Daniel. B. Elijah. C. Moses. Ito. What was the name of the garden where Adam and Eve lived? Hala. Sige na. Siya man yung galawin niyo. Bing, leader niyo.
Ang girls.
Ang leader nandun sa Biana.
Sige, laro lang yan. Mulang hindi kayo magkuhan. Laro lang yan. Laro lang.
Kahit mali yung ano ng leader nyo, dapat kung ano yung ano nyo na tama, doon kayo. Kung mali yung leader, sabihin nyo mali ka.
Birahin nyo. Birahin nyo. Birahin nyo ba? Birahin nyo. Ang boys.
Ako'y na. Who was the mother of Jesus? A. Mary. B. Martha. C. Who was the father of many nations as promised by God? Sino ang father? A. Abraham. B. Isaac. C. Jacob. First king of Israel. A. Solomon. B. David. C. Saul. Lahat yung mali. That God provides the Israelites in the desert. Sa tumakot. A. Bread. B. Manna. C. Meat. Jesus passed in the wilderness. 20, A 20, B 30, C 40.